Before I jump into the review, I just need to say I wore this hair a lot of times, mad different installs. I even bleached it at one point. You can see it in the ponytail. Y'all, the hair is soft, and if you wet it and put mousse in it, you get that wet look. I even wore the hair from my state picture. Y'all need to watch this video because the hair is affordable and high quality. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a cute little initial review on this cute hair that I have in my hair today. This is VictoriasWig.com. But before we even jump into that, make sure you guys are subscribed. That red button down there, click that button for me, please. Your girl will really appreciate it. Turn on the little bell so that way you can be notified when I upload. If you like this video at the end, give me a thumbs up and comment down below. Girl, I loved it. So yeah, let's jump into this review. I'm going to go ahead and get into the unboxing part of the video really quick. All of the hair comes in a baggie. It tells you what the hair is, the inches. I already took the lace front two out of it. It came wrapped up in a net as well. I'll show you guys with the bundles. This is a 16-inch deep wave. The knots are still black. It does need to be bleached, so I'm going to do that before applying this to my head. As far as the plucking goes, it does seem to have a little bit of pre-plucking going on there, but it's not natural enough for me, so I'm going to do more of that. These are the little baby hairs. It looks like it was set aside. That makes your job a little bit more easier, but I'm probably going to add more to that. The color is brown. It's like a dark chocolate brown color. The hair to texture is soft. It's not super soft, but it's soft enough to me. It's not hard or crunchy, anything like that. As far as shedding goes with this front two, it's very minimal. I'm talking about like 3 strings of hair shedding out, but it is curly hair, so you're gonna expect some kind of shedding. Well, not curly, wavy, all of that stuff is not straight hair. So yeah, that's the front two. Really excited to see how this comes out. So let me show you the bundles. All right, so again, I got 3 of the 20-inch deep wave bundles. I'm gonna compare the front two deep wave to the bundles as well, so we can see if it's like a perfect match and all of that. So I just took the net off of this, and this is what this is looking like. This is actually softer than the front two hair. So this is the hair. This is how thick the bundles are looking. It looks really thick up here. Down here, I don't know. It seems a little skimp down here at the bottom, but I won't actually know what it really looks like until I apply it to my head. But from top to bottom, it goes from thick to thin. So towards the bottom, it does get a little bit thinner than the top is. It's real hefty up here and thinner down here. The color is basically the same, but again, like I said, this is softer. This is really what I prefer my hair to feel like. This is them side by side. You really cannot tell a difference. So the waves are basically identical. So when it comes to the waves, it's dead on. You're not going to have a problem blending the front two hair with the bundle hair. That is absolutely A1. As far as the color, it's exactly the same as well. So that's great. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a quick weave, apply all of this hair to my head really quick. And once it's applied in my head, I'll let you guys know what I really think about the hair as far as it being in my head and, you know, the feeling, the look, and all that good stuff. So let me jump to that. So far, I have 1 bundle in my hair. This is what's left from the first bundle, so I'm still not finished the first bundle. And I have to say, it is kind of full. For the 1 bundle, is actually more full than I thought it would be. So as far as fullness goes, I definitely give it an A+ because I still have this to go from the first bundle. So let me go ahead and add everything else into my head so that way I can give you guys the full initial review. So this is what the hair looks like in front of me. It's not that long. Of course not. It's a 20-inch and it's not straight hair, so that's how it does. It shrinks up a little bit. So this is how long the 20-inch is on my back. Okay, so to sum it up really quick, I would definitely say that this hair is a go. My reasons is because for the price, which is a very affordable price, this is really good quality hair, okay? So we have a nice little flow fingers going through here. It's not very nappy. It doesn't get tangled, so you don't have to worry about that big ball in the back. What I will say though, if I'm gonna be honest with you, when I did wash the lace front two, when I had to bleach the knots and all of that, it got very tangled, okay? So I had to sit there and detangle it, and it was very annoying. But once I got all the tangles out when the hair dried, it came out nice and fluffy and pretty, and it was nice and soft. So when I initially did the unboxing and I was like that the frontal hair was a little bit harder, it got real nice and soft like the rest of the bundle. So I do appreciate that. That is a plus. As I mentioned before, it was pre-plucked, but I did a little bit more plucking myself and I bleached the knots, and this is basically how it came out for me. I did very minimal baby hairs. I try to keep like a natural hairline flow going on here, so this is what it's looking like. And I use Got to Be Glue. This is definitely a quick weave situation. So for the shedding, I am shocked that it's not more shedding than I would expect. I'm literally pulling out like 3 pieces of hair, and I had to cut the wefts off them because I did a quick weave. So I still don't have a lot of shedding, which is a plus too. So that's awesome. As far as the curl pattern, it's very pretty. I love the curl pattern. When it's floofy, it's really cute. When I did wash out the frontal, it was very fluffy and foofy, and the back of course was still like this. So I ended up putting some mousse on it. So if the textures look a little different, that is the reason why. But I purchased this hair again, I definitely will. Like I said, the hair is cute. If you guys want to check it out so you can be cute like me, definitely go to victoriaswig.com and get you some hair, girl. And if you want to save you like $12 or something like that, use my promo code, which is CARRIE12, and get yourself a little discount. So let me know what you guys think about this hair. I would say unit because I've been doing wigs, but I didn't do it. It's a quick weave this time. Again, make sure you're subscribed to my channel because your girl got videos. Check out my other videos. I guarantee you'll love it. Y'all gonna love it. So make sure to subscribe to my channel. I appreciate you guys. I'm going to go now because I have somewhere to go and I am chitter chattering. But this is some nice hair. Bye.